no, here comes that sun again. That means another day without you, my friend. And it hurts me to look into the mirror at myself. And it hurts even more to have to be with somebody else. And it's so hard to do and so easy to say. But sometimes you just have to walk away. Walk away. So many people to love in my life. Why do I worry about